Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be learning how to do Parighasana or the gate pose. This pose stretches the entire side body and is great for getting rid of a stiff back. So once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Kneel on the floor with your knees below the hips and toes pointed backwards. Stretch the left leg to the left and keep it in line with the right knee. Keeping the left leg straight, turn the left foot to face the left side. Extend both the arms sideways to shoulder level. Take a couple of deep breaths here to find your balance. Move the left arm and trunk sideways towards the left side. Try to place the left arm as far down the left leg as possible with the palm facing upwards. Bring the right arm over the head. Take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, extend the right arm to bring it as close to the left palm as possible. Here, make sure that you are bending only sideways such that your entire torso, hips and the left leg remain in line. Do not push the hips back. Try to go as far as possible while maintaining this posture. Keep your chest open and keep looking upwards. Slowly come back. Bring the left leg in and repeat on the other side. Extend the right leg out. Bring both the arms to shoulder level. Take the right arm down to the right leg. Inhale, bring the left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Stay for a couple of breaths. It might be possible that your one side is more flexible than the other. That's completely fine. And then slowly come back. So this was Parighasana or the gate pose as taught in Light of Yoga. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to new videos. That's all for today. Bye-bye.